We're taking off the OEM downpipe and installing our race version test pipe.
In the middle of testing our FK8 downpipe, and this is just a prototype, and what we're finding out about the CTR, and we're going to assume the Accord as well, is that the studs to the turbine housing, they're very sensitive and they can break off because Honda uses a locking nut on there. So when we're removing the catalytic converter, one nut was able to come off no problem, the other one broke the stud off. What should have been a normal, easy chain swap out downpipe process, it became a bigger problem. And then Aaron has been trying to get the stud off of the turbine. So this is what ends up looking like right here. Yeah, you got this stud. We were able to get the locking nut off, but unfortunately this one was not as pretty. So now we have to take this and extract this out. We have to take the whole turbo off and extract this out. So this is not fun, you know. So guys that are going to be doing this kind of mod, you know, the downpipe, this is what you want to expect beforehand, because this is the way it is, you know. There's a cast iron, and then you have the stud, and it seizes onto there.
Flex pipe. Want to know how it got its name? Because it flexes. The more you know.